So, what's the best way to start working out? You're just thinking about incorporating fitness into your life. Congratulations. Deciding to be a more active is an incredible first step for your lifelong health. There are many benefits of exercise, such as better moods, maintaining good energy levels, improved sleep, all around higher confidence, feeling like you're at the top of the world. Exercise can also help manage your weight and reduce your risk for chronic disease. I can go on and on. Now that you've decided to start working out, the next step can be overwhelming. Yeah, what's the best magic workout to do, or the perfect amount of time to spend in the gym? It's hard to know where to start. I've been there. If you're not clear about what you're doing or why you're doing it, if things don't always go according to the plan, it's easy to give up. Here are the step-by-step steps to set yourself up for success. But first, please click subscribe, support my channel. Ready? Let's go. Step number 1. Before you start working out, mindset. This is a boring step, but it's the most important aspect.
People get their brains ready because I'm gonna touch something.
In fact, many people skip this step. This is why many people are struggling with this part along their fitness journey. Let's say you went to the gym 3 times a week. The first week's going well. Second week, you're getting by. By the third week or so, you find yourself dreading to work out. You probably ask yourself, why am I doing this? Suddenly, you're not motivated, right? What happens next? Then you stop working out. You feel disappointed in yourself and failed. This is a very common experience. Thus, mindset is critical. You can avoid this by identifying your why, what, and how so you can be clear about your goals. Let me ask you, why are you adding fitness and wellness into your life now? In what ways will your life be different when you have fitness in your life on a regular basis? How are you going to include fitness into your lifestyle today and this week? Use me as an example. When I was in college, I just randomly decided to go to the gym because it's a healthy thing to do and it's good for you, right? That was my mindset. Of course, eventually I stopped going to the gym. I wasn't clear with my goals. 2 years later, I found myself depressed, unhappy with how my life was going since my entire life, resolved me to playing video games at my mom's house on a regular basis. Did I want to keep doing that? Hell no. When I saw my old friend from college, we're the same age. He seemed to be successful with a job and a house and a girlfriend. Look at me. I have nothing. This time, I've decided to work out again. This time, I had a different reason to work out. My why and my what. Now I control my life and my journey. I wanted to feel better, have more energy to get things done. I wanted to prove to the world who saw myself as a nobody. And I was done being shamed for my skinny fat. That's what keeps me going for the last 6 years of my fitness journey. Another quick example. A client of mine recently discovered she has diabetes, and she wanted to spend more time with her kids. Every time she'd wake up, get ready, go to the gym, every morning always thinking about her kids. You can imagine she has clear goals and personal reasons to push herself to become more active on a regular basis. A review of studies concluded that replacing an unhealthy behavior with a new, healthier habit, that was a long first step, but a necessary one. The rest of the steps will get easier. Now, for step number 2. Make a plan and set realistic goals. Like, you can feel it's possible to achieve your goals. For example, your goal is to lose 50 pounds within 2 months. Would that be unrealistic? Guess what? It is ideal to lose between 1 to 2 pounds per week for health reasons. So the realistic weight loss goals for 5 months would be 20 to 40 pounds. People commonly rely on the scale, which is actually not the best approach. There are alternative reasons that would be a better approach, which I'll explain in another video. Don't rely on the scale. Instead, use a particular piece of the same clothing as your milestone, where you will notice a difference in the fitting compared to the scale. Step number 3. Go and start working out. You can choose any workout program. There are many of them available online. You can choose any depending on your goals. I'll recommend a few of them. When you start working out, you probably feel like you don't know what you're doing. That's a common experience. It's easy to compare yourself to people who are further along in their fitness journey, like you and me, who didn't know what we were doing. It's easy to find ourselves comparing. Breathe. It's alright to look silly. What matters is you're willing to make mistakes without judging yourself. We are all human. We all start from the beginning, including me. Try your best and keep trying. I've always said, who is your worst enemy? You. You're already thinking about working out, you've taken a few steps, keep going. With every workout, you'll get better and better. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. By now, you've already tried some exercises. You're not sure if you're doing the form the right or the wrong way. Watch the exercise demo carefully. Mimic it to avoid hurting yourself. It's a smart way to learn the proper form without hurting yourself. I want to emphasize, start small. Do you know the well-known story of rabbit versus turtle? Who won the race? Many people thought the rabbit would win because he is fast, right? Turtle is slow, but the turtle still wins in the end. How can that be? The turtle believes that slow and steady wins the race. Small improvements over time. This also applies to fitness and in real life. If you're trying to do everything too fast like the rabbit, you would feel burned out and possibly injure yourself. It's not worth it. This is a lifestyle change. It's not gonna happen overnight. Try starting with 2 or 3 days a week and schedule it into your weeks like a doctor's appointment. 30 minutes of a workout session is a good start. You can start at home. You can do it at the park or the gym. If you feel ready, go to the gym. Try adding another 30 minutes, 1 hour total session. You'll be surprised how good and empowered you'll feel. Tip: lay your workout clothes the night before or pack your bag. Make it easy for yourself not to find excuses. Depending on your goals, lifting weights doesn't have to be the only way. You can try mixing up your workouts to keep it fun. Take some fitness classes like yoga, Pilates. Hire a personal trainer to keep it fun and include variety. I can't emphasize enough again, start slow. Build up your fitness level and let your body rest during your workouts. It's not necessary to overdo yourself. I have some easy tips that can help you to get started today. Drink water. Eat a balanced diet to support your fitness program. Consume carbs for fuel. Protein builds muscle mass. Regularly consuming healthy fats for many health benefits. Let's not forget about vegetables and fruits. Vitamins and minerals are critical for your health. Get good sleep, around 8 hours. Keep your best to do these every day. The more you do these things every day, it will become habits. The key is to be patient. Your fitness journey is not A to Z. Be consistent. It is your new healthy lifestyle. Your body is truly amazing. Take a few moments every day to appreciate that. Let me know how you're doing. What's your experience with fitness and food as a beginner? Do you have any tips on how to get started with fitness? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications of my new videos.